Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you 5 different hairstyles for short hair, also if you have bangs. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So the first hairstyle is super duper easy. It's going to be half ponytail, which is going to be right over here because then it will look very good. So let's start. You have to take half of your hair and leave some hair strand from both the sides just to give your face shape and it will just look good. Tie your hair as high as you can to look it more cute, and it will just look cute. That is the only reason. It just gives your hair a lot of volume also. Favorite hairstyle, and I'm going to show you the next hairstyle, which is half bun. For that you're just gonna need these U pins, nothing else. You just to the third hairstyle, which is absolutely simple, and that is not even a hairstyle, that is a hair accessory that you have to use, which is this bandana, which I got from Sarojini Nagar before coronavirus. Obviously you just have to put it like this. Yeah, I mean, there's no effort, you just need to have one of these bandana, or you can make some scarf bandana out of scarf as well. Hairstyle, which is again very simple, as I said before. style, which is a ponytail. So you just need to like gather all your hair. Yeah, here you go. Very sporty, yet so elegant and easy to do for school, college.